Hi everyone, and welcome to the Hitmakerz singing lesson online tutorial part 1. I want to introduce you guys to a good friend of mine. This is Miriam Savini. She is a highly qualified singing and vocal coach and instructor, and she's going to teach you how to better use your voice, whether you want to be a singer or a public speaker, or you just want to be a bit louder and use your voice in a better way. So I hope you guys enjoy, and take it away.
Thank you. Hey everyone, and welcome to the first part of the singing lessons. My name is Miriam Savini, and I've been studying music all my life. I live in Iqaluit right now, but I really wanted to be helpful and teach music to the people in other communities. I've been working with Hitmakerz for a little while right now. I worked with Kelly Fraser, I worked with Astiva, I worked with Angela Amakwalik, and Thor, the producer, obviously. I've been giving singing lessons to these artists a little bit just to coach them, just like I'm going to do with you guys today. So today I really wanted to introduce you a little bit more about the concept of singing, because I feel like there's a lot of misconceptions around what singing is. So the first thing you need to have in mind is that singing is not just a voice, you are actually your entire instrument. So it's really important to, when you want to learn how to sing, to really mind yourself that you will need to take care of that body, because it's the vessel to your voice and ultimately to your art, right? So you want to be healthy, you want to take care of your physical form, because yes, it does impact the voice. And you also want to practice. Practice makes perfect, and the voice is not only what happens basically when you sing. Everything is activated, everything is in movement, and everything is really important to do.